In this video, you're going to learn how to add image to Mockup using Canva. Imagine we have an image that we want to add as a banner, and we have a mockup that's not adaptable. So what we're going to do first is to amplify the design so it fits all the mockup, and then we are going to go to apps and we're going to type reshape to find the reshape app. Then we're going to click on it, and after that you're going to choose the first one, and we're going to click on the image. We're going to adapt the shapes so the corners fits the corners of the mockup from top to bottom. Once it fits, we have to click to save, and then we just have the mockup ready to go. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep you updated with the new tips and tricks regarding graphic design.